What's up, puppets? Today we're breaking down a Tropic Bowl graphic. That was a terrible accent, but without further ado, let's get right into it. So, we got our black background. We have our text, Zach Thomas, Shamar, John Charles. Then we have our text on the ground, simple stuff. Got the lighting up on the top right. So I put in a gold ellipse. So you just go over here, use the ellipse tool, make an ellipse, simple as that. Then I found this photo online and I just put it over top of the ellipse. I just set that to hard light and masked out the outside because it was just a photo with a black edge. Then I just kind of tweaked the colors a little bit with the hue saturation. Wanted to give it a little more pink at the bottom. And then we just added in our cutouts. Do what I do every time, which is put a camera raw filter on them, make them a little more crispy looking, as you can see. Then we have a selective color and a couple color lookups, and then a hue saturation to really dial in the color of the cutouts. Just try and make them look the same or similar. Then we have our color correction over top of that layer, and I knew that would change the color of like the reds and pinks and blues, so I put that on now, and then I went in and added this that I'm adding now. So we have a palm tree cutout that I found online, and I just put one pink and one blue. They both have color overlays on them, and then put a pink outer glow on that, and then do the same thing to the next, but put the pink tree in front and put that in a group, and then put a blue glow on that, and then did the same thing in the back, but changed it up again. So we just have that a few times, all the same thing, just kind of going back and forth between looks. On the left side we have the same thing. So this is what the tree originally looked like, and we just gave it a color overlay and a glow. Nothing too fancy. So all these are literally just glows and overlays. So this outer glow, it's just normal blue glow set to 35% opacity. Then I found this photo of a field, put an outer glow on that, a pink outer glow, and then put this pink layer on top of it with a clipping mask, and then did the same thing again, but just moved it over to the right some and used blue this time. And then we did the same thing with a white one and put that right in the middle. So you have like the pink on the left and the blue on the right, as you can see, like with this right here. So you have pink, white, blue, pink, white, blue. So it's kind of that like 3D Miami look. And so then we did the same thing on the cutouts. Put an inner shadow with blue, inner shadow with pink. This one's set to pin light, this one's set to hard light, and then linear dodge add with the orange light coming from the back. So we just did that to both of them, and then I took control click the cutout and then made a blue layer, and then I just shifted that over a few pixels, and that's what that looks like. So it's just this cutout with a blue fill, and the same thing on the left. It says cut out with a pink fill, and then they're in groups with layer masks, so it cuts off the other side of them. So you have blue on the right, pink on the left. And then I just did the same thing with the Zach Thomas cutout and put the Tropic Bowl logo up top. So let me know if you like this graphic. It's up on my Patreon, so go check it out. I'll see you in this video.